Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, my friend. And today, before that, uh, I want to introduce myself. My name is Angeline Emilia Turambi, and you can call me Angel. Now, I want to explain about the uniqueness of Nrekang Regency. Uh, before that, before that, I have 7 point. 7 point. And the first point, what is the general information of Mon Bambapuang? And the second point, what is the history of Mon Bambapuang? And the three points, what is the term Tomanuru? And the 4 point, why did Tomanurung Embobulan or woman leave the peak of Mon Bambapuang? And the 5 point, if there is violation, what happened to Mon Bambapuang? And the 6 point, what was the Puang Makale family doing? And the 7 point and the last point, what did they discuss in the meeting? Before that, are you do you ons go to do you ons go to Mon Bambapuang? Okay, I want to explain. Before that, next explain. I want to explain about general information. Mon Bambapuang so high. Mon Bambapuang so high. And Mon Bambapuang many history, but now I want to explain history Mon Bambapua little history. So I want I hope you understand with my explain about Mon Bambapuang. Mon Bambapuang is Mon Bambapuang hike in South Sulawesi. Mon Bambapuang have hike 1001 and 15, and Mon Bambapuang route Bambapuang before their Buntu Kabobong. Before that Buntu Kabobong, and you can see is beside before that you go in Buntu Kabobong. Okay, next. I forget Mon Bambapuang apa Bambapuang beside the you can look Mon Bambapuang is beside is a big mon big mon big mon. And next, I want to explain. Ini you can see this the picture. I forgot this, sorry. You can see this picture, and before that go to Buntu Kabobong. You can see beside Mon Bambapuang. It's a big mall. Di mana di? Before yeah, beside sini. You can look this Mon Bambapuang is there, and Mon Bambapuang is bentuknya seperti kerucut Mon Bambapuang. So next, okay, next, this is the picture about explain history of Mon Bambapuang. And okay, at the time, the food of Mon Bambapuang or Kampung Mendate, there was still a bit opposite Kalupini. Remembering that Tomanurung Embombulang was a doctor, and that gods were given food could not to go stale or tobaro found in Luwu, and also given provides for self-defense and as an expert in witchcraft, and this continue down, and also down to the seven generation. Next, Tomanurung has Tomanurung as a culture has a culture concept, and the concept of the Bambapuang Tomanurung as a culture concept, and then reciprocal as relationship between and the leader and the community. And next, Tomanurung Embombulang or women were given to opportunity to live the peak of Mon Bambapuang, and chose to cross the sea and go to Kalupini dare to marry Palipada. Dare to marry Palipada, and there's and there and there and there and there become of descendants become of the become the descendants of suffragetting uh, suffragetting uh, suffragetting to suffragetting and uh, and the king of of the of Lu or Palopo. The next point. Sorry. If this violation occur, of course, disaster will occur, and Mon Bambapuang and we fall in the future where the speak of Mon Bambapuang falls, where and then where to speak of Mon Bambapuang. Sorry, the people there will continue to Aluk Todolo, hold Aluk Todolo, and they will make will make will make will make will make the country rich. Itmon Bambapuang has fallen right up to the land Matarikalo or Tanah Toraja, which still hold Aluk Todolo until now. So next 5 point, and the next 5 point. Next, you can see this the picture. Wait, this is a picture. Family the Puang Makale. The Puang Makale family. Next, an application was made by the Puang Makale family from the Matarikalo or Tanah Toraja. Was there Toraja, but there was temporarily rejected because it was not clear between the family between the Goa family and the Laselang and the Puang Makale family. Next, next, in the meeting, the Laselang Puang Tobalu explained that the Puang Makale family still had a family relationship which the people with the royal family royal family of Goa and Bone from their ancestor Bamba Puang. Namely that was the descendants of the Puang of the namely the descendants of Tomanurung, Welangdilangi, and then descendants of the Puang of the Tomanurung explained also by Lasalam Puang Tobalu in Bugis and Bugis as follows. Degaga Goa Nako Degaga Goa Nako Degaga Bone Nadeto Gaga Bone Nareko Luwu Nadeto Gaga Luwu Nareko Degaga Matarikalo or Tanah Toraja Nadeto Gaga Matarikalo or Tanah Toraja Nareko Degaga Endekan Bamba Puang, which means there is no Goa kingdom if there is no Bone kingdom, and there no Luwu kingdom if there is no the Matarikalo or Tanah Toraja. There is no Matarikalo or Tanah Toraja, the kingdom. If there is no Endekan kingdom of in Mon Bamba Puang. Okay, that all kingdom in South Sulawesi still Luwu family relationship with the royal family in Mon Bamba Puang. And okay guys, I think that's all. I'm sorry kalau you not understand with my explained about Mon Bamba Puang, but you can check it little information about Mon Bamba Puang. So thank you very much for attention, and sorry because not all is not because it's not all material about history Mon Bamba Puang. So I think that's all. Thank you very much for attention, and thank you.